Shalom and welcome. My name is Minister Robert Lee Williams from Prophetic Information Ministries, where we blow the trumpet, the shofar, around the world, informing you with prophetic news and bringing God's miracle ministry to the world. Well, today is December the 18th, 2012. I have a possible prophetic warning for you. I got a dream back on December the 10th of 2012. I've been holding on to this dream for a while and praying about it, but it's like the Lord keeps bringing this dream back up to me to get this warning out. And what I saw in this dream, I saw myself on a submarine, and it was sitting on the ocean floor. And there was an aircraft carrier that was approaching, and it was very close. It was in firing range, and I saw that other personnel, like other officers, was talking to the captain to fire at this submarine, and they were sitting there to sink this aircraft carrier. And the captain said, "No, we are going to wait till it turns and goes down this narrow canal." And the captain said, "If we fire now, they will see us, like possibly on radar, and they would destroy the submarine." So the aircraft carrier made a right turn down this narrow canal, and then the submarine made its move. But before it fired, I woke up from the dream. I do not know what country the submarine belongs to or the aircraft carrier. But the submarine was waiting for this aircraft carrier to approach and to go down this canal. This was a planned attack, and this is something for all of us to pray against, because if that ever happened or occurred, that's possible that could bring on World War III or a major conflict in whatever region this is in. There's a lot of conflicts in the Middle East right now. So we all need to pray against this attack on this aircraft carrier. This is just a prophetic dream, so pray against it. And if anyone else has had any kind of dreams like this in the last week or two, please put a comment on the comment section and let me know what kind of dreams you also had. And if anybody's picking anything up on this, please let me know. So this is short, and until next time, this is Minister Robert Lee Williams with Prophetic Information Ministries.